Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Fast Pair simplifies Bluetooth pairing for compatible accessories and phones. It requires Android 6.0 or higher and Google Play services enabled. Your phone also needs Bluetooth Low Energy and BLE advertising support for discovery. When a compatible accessory enters proximity, Fast Pair shows a notification on the lock screen or notification shade. The notification appears when the accessory is within 4 inches and broadcasting the correct BLE packet. Tap the notification to begin a secure and fast pairing process with minimal manual steps. Start by enabling Bluetooth on your phone and turning on location permissions. Open Settings and verify Google Play Services has nearby devices permission granted. Grant BLE scanning and location access when prompted for immediate discovery. For seamless account sync, sign into the same Google account on devices you want to share pairings with. Ensure wearable firmware and accessory battery are charged above 15% for reliable setup. Keep accessories in their case until you initiate pairing to ensure a clean initial When the Fast Pair notification appears, tap it to confirm pairing and complete setup. The phone shows accessory name, model, and battery percentages for left-right and case immediately. After pairing, you can access firmware updates and custom controls through the Accessory Companion app. To rename, forget, or troubleshoot, open Bluetooth settings and select the paired device entry. Unpairing from settings stops account sync and removes the accessory from your device list. Repeating pairing later follows the same fast pair flow for quick reconnection.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.